out here. Fa, fa, fa. You know that. They know that. We know that. She know that.
What's up, vlog? Yes, on today's episode, I'm starting off with no wig because I was sent a wig from Amazon. We finna open it, but I need to do this video first. But so yes, we finna install a wig tonight. So y'all gonna watch me install a wig. Y'all gonna watch me go from this to a bad bitch. I just took my other wig off. We finna put the other wig on real soon. Y'all finna see how it looks while I do this unbox. I gotta make sure both of my cameras can see. Take a look. Y'all look what it got. Look. That's how it looks. Okay. Y'all see it too. Okay, this is cute. What y'all think? It's giving. I'm used to getting 200 density wigs. If you know me, you know I like them thick, but this is cute too. Y'all look at the lace. Y'all see the lace? The pack came with an edge control brush. It came with some lashes. This, a wig cap. This is the brand. Never mind, I'm not bleaching it. So, I went ahead, put foundation on my cap. I'm gonna use this. Hopefully this works because I don't have no got to be spray. None. Cause y'all, I was literally, I just been thinking about braids. That's it. But hopefully this works because I didn't know what else there is to use. I use all my guts to be glue spray. So now I just have the regular glue. I hope this works. I ain't gonna even lie, bro. Okay. I sprayed some of this. Y'all need these scissors to cut. So I'm gonna tie the back of the lace. Tuck it. I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol, rub all this extra stuff off so it won't mess up the wig. This bitch, damn, some strong ass rubbing alcohol. This one I'm using. Can y'all see? I be looking so goofy, bruh. Y'all, I really don't want that much. Okay, I think let me pull it back. I'm gonna take my foundation, put a little more on the brush, not too much, because I'm gonna put it on my wig. Okay, so this is the part where I'm going to take some mousse and push it back. Okay, hold on, I need some more. What the hell? Okay, this is the part where I cut my sideburns. Excuse me. Take the clip. Huh? That's how I be. Huh? People trying to talk to me, I'm like, huh? Let me take a little thank you. This is the glue that I use. Bold hole. I'm gonna do 2 layers. 2 layers. I don't want to do too much because I don't know if I'm gonna like the wig. I'm gonna like it, but you get what I'm saying. Y'all outside this summer or y'all inside? I'm outside, but not like in that kind of way. In the way where I'm trying to try new things this summer. I want to have a fun and exciting summer. And that's all I want. I don't want nothing else. Nothing add on. No unnecessary stuff. That's all I want. I'm just a girl who's trying to have fun and not be stressed out about a nigga. Niggas are so stressful. Like, damn, did you give your mama a hard time too when you was a baby? Don't forget your corners of the wig. What DJ Khaled said, another one. Hopefully I don't sweat this off in the gym in the morning. Y'all, I'm back in the gym. Like, I'm really trying to be back consistent again. I'm trying to go 5 times a week. So today was day 2. Tomorrow is day 3. I'm like, for real, I'm trying to go 5 times a week. I need my stomach to be back flat. Like, for real, before my birthday come. I know these 2 weeks, anything is possible and anything could change at any moment. Hurry up and put it on. Commercial break. Okay, y'all. I think it's good. So still. The fuck she talking about? Y'all, I think I did this so wrong. Nah. Okay, let's just add some more glue to these lifted parts. My forehead is so big. Oh my god. Strip club girl, I don't really. Okay, I'm gonna be back when the hot comb is on. Yo, you can see when I had my last wig. Okay, it's hot now. I don't have no spritz right now. So I put some mousse on it. I gotta go get that. Party like I'm retained, bitch. Riding around, getting in, blowing money, bitch. With a 2 chain, with a dream on. And I'm out here. Break someone out the stairs. So fucked up, she got to stare. Lean. Fuck it like this. I must be dreaming. Alright. Okay. Did the edges. And it gave me hell. Okay, y'all. This is the final look. This is how the wig came out. Yeah. This is the end results of the wig. Real cute. I put pins to let it down after the long period of time of watching me struggle to put the wig on. It's finally on. I like it. It's cute. I'm gonna keep it on. I know I said I was going to, but I'm gonna keep it on. So yeah, it's cute. Like the colors. But thank y'all so much for watching and staying the whole video. If you did, you're a real one. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And make sure you turn that post notification.